Welcome to an aMiSTACX S3 Titanium MIG deployment solution for Magento Open Source with RDS on AWS. New features with this release offer better post-deploy cleanup, increased local security, and more deployment options. Specifically, this deployment was designed to help migrate Magento to AWS, test upgrade paths, and to demo various module and theme configurations. Copying the usage information to a text editor is suggested for easy reference. Why use aMiSTACX? Save time, reduce costs, designed for performance, enhanced privacy, and an amazing dashboard to manage your digital empire. Make sure you review the listing terms, pricing, and ask all questions before you deploy. You will need to create an AWS SSH key prior to deployment. Search key pair on our main site, and you will find a post that covers the process. The CloudFormation template will allow you to select various options for deployment. This deployment solution is the most versatile deployment solution we provide for Magento Open Source. This deployment also includes all of our business modules for Magento Open Source. It is recommended to install the AWS CloudWatch agent for access to advanced A51 features. You can set SSH to your IP address or leave it open until post-deployment. Depending on selected options, your deployment time will vary. Typically, with the default options and the CloudWatch agent, you can expect about a 30-minute deployment. It is suggested you enable termination protection on the CFT deployment script. Otherwise, your entire deployment could be accidentally deleted. Wait for initialization to complete, take the time to name your instance, and get the IP address. It is very important to wait the full 30 minutes for deployment. Otherwise, you will run into EC2 and RDS errors. Here we added our public elastic IP address to the usage instructions we saved earlier on Notepad. If you have issues, there is a backup guide in the Ubuntu home directory. Port 8080 should already be open, and accept the certificate warning. You will see the PDF or HTML usage instructions, and we will also confirm the main application. In our demo, we use the SFTP client, WinSCP, to connect to our EC2. Magento backend and admin panel information can be found in the env.php file. Post-deployment, you will want to change default usernames and passwords, restrict AWS security groups, and consider enabling Magento's two-factor authentication. You may want to take a backup prior to authentication changes. Connecting via WinSCP is easy, and offers a simple and yet powerful GUI SFTP interface. Deployments normally have a backup copy of the deployment guide, and a changelog file in the Ubuntu home directory. Register for A51, and access the main dashboard to see your newly deployed instance. New accounts must wait 24 to 48 hours prior to A51 registration. A51 is a powerful administration dashboard. Specifically designed for simplicity and performance, here are some of the functions you can accomplish: automated backups, EC2 and RDS monitoring, AWS billing monitoring and alerts, security group administration, Q&A bot management, power control, team assignments, health checks, basic Cloudflare management, and much more. If you deployed the CloudWatch agent, you can attach the CloudWatch policy for access to advanced EC2 monitoring metrics. Accessing the RDS Power Management will allow you to configure advanced features and get additional RDS instance information. Should you require technical assistance, please make use of our Q&A bot accessible from the A51 dashboard and main website. If you don't see your instance, use the manual sync button in the dashboard header. Weaponize your business with aMiSTACX, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video.